Hello friends, Roy Fielding here. Now I'm going to show you an easy way to download and upload a product. Okay, a lot of you might have digital products on your desktop that you've got before. You might belong to membership sites like this one right here, Resell Rights Weekly, where you can get a ton of products, and if you upgrade you can get a lot more products and that you can sell and add to affiliate platforms, or just sell to your subscribers on your list if you've started building a list yet. This is a great site. I use it a lot. I download products and then I upload them on my domain. Now, if you have one domain, you can add a bunch of products in there. You could add 100, 200, 300 products. You just create them in a folder, okay? So don't get the idea that you need a bunch of domains to make a bunch of products, because you only need one domain. You can create multiple folders inside there. So this site also, if you upgrade, even if you don't upgrade, if you promote the site, you get, the site if you upgrade is $19.95 per month. Now Mark right here, he pays me $13.97 for every upgraded member. So if I put this on one of my download pages for my products that I create, and folks join this, after I get about 100 members in here, it'll be paying me $1,397 a month residual. Okay, so that's like a little Social Security check for you. All right, so I like to build residual businesses, and this is a good one. And also we get to get all the products in here. So what I'm going to do is pick one of these products here, and I'll show you really briefly how you can do this. Okay, this is a WordPress plugin that you can get images, 1 million free images with this plugin. Okay, and you can add them right to your blog. So I'm going to check this out. I've already checked out the sales page. It comes with a sales page. You can view the sales page first before you download it, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. And this has its own sales page here, so I don't need to do that. I do have to edit a few things, so I'll do that. So let me close this out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this, and it's only 2.8 megabytes, so it's really very small, and Mark's always adding new products in here. So I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to go to Save Link As, and I'm going to save it to my desktop right now. I can drag it into my downloads folder after if I want to. So this comes with master resell rights or giveaway rights. You could give it away on a landing page and get an opt-in, all right? And then when they opted in, you could give them the free plugin, but you could also sell them the master resell rights, because it comes with master resell rights. So I'm going to save it to my desktop here, and that won't take long. If I go to the Tools tab up here and go to Downloads, I'll be able to find it as well. So if it saves somewhere else on your desktop, on your computer, and you don't know where it is, you can always go to Tools and then your Downloads folder right here, okay? And then you'll be able to see where it is. If you right click on that and go to Open Containing Folder, it's going to go to my desktop. So it's on my desktop. So I'm going to close these out. And I'm going to right click down here and go Show the Desktop. If you right click on the bottom bar here, I'm going to go Show the Desktop. So here it is right here. I'm going to right click on this. And if you have Windows 7 still, you're going to see Extract All. Okay, so you can just click on Extract All. If you have Windows 10 or Windows 8, you can go to 7-zip and go to Extract here. All right, and then that will extract the folder so you can see what's inside there. All right, so I'm going to extract, I'm going to open this open folder now and see what's inside. So it comes with all of the banners, emails, mini sites. Now these are Mark's free marketing tools, so what I usually do is I right click on that and I choose delete. Then you got your license as a text file right here. You can read the license. You can sell with resell or master resell rights. So see, one good thing about having master resell rights is if they buy the product, on the back you can say, would you like the resell rights with this? for $10 more or $17 more, okay? You can give away the light version for lead generation campaigns, all right? So it has a light version and a full version. Can be added to paid membership sites. Can be sold on a dime sale. Yes, can be added to bonuses. Can sell and keep 100%. Change the title and contents can be edited. You can put your name on the sales letter and all that. So that's the license. All right, so here's the plugin right here itself, and you got the full version. If you click on that, it should be a zip folder in there because you have to upload a plugin as a zip folder. We'll get into that after. And this is the light version that you could give away. So go to the back button, and then we got a user guide. All right, so that's a PDF user guide that they can double click on and view. If they have Adobe Acrobat Reader, they'll open with that. But if you have Windows 8 or Windows 10, it uses this different app. This will say how to obtain a Flickr API key, how to apply for Twitter, and so you can get the application ID. So we will draw all images off of those sites. So we'll get into that after. But if we go back here now, and that's the plugin. These are the emails that you could send out from a squeeze page, auto-respond to emails, and go to the back button. And now we have the mini sites. Okay, we have banners in here too that we could put on our blog or on a download page. All right. So, or on a banner exchange. Okay, once you create your product, here's a 468 by 60, which most banner companies let you upload 468 by 60, and these would be good for a blog, 125 by 125 in the widgets area. Okay, so let's go back here and view. Well, they have yellow banners too here. Okay, those look a little better. So go back here. Now we'll see the mini sites. Okay, so they got two mini sites, and we got blue. And if we double click on this index, okay, we'll be able to see what the blue one looks like. So that's the blue. And if we go to this folder here and go to the back button, we can go in the yellow one, and we'll check out what that one looks like. All right, I like that one better. Now what you would do now with this product, I'll close these out here. I'll go to, let me see, it's a squeeze page that I just made with Optimized Press. And if I go to Tools and Web Developer, I've added on this add-on for Firefox. It's called FireFTP. It's a lot easier than using FileZilla, like a lot of folks will tell you in their video tutorials. All right, I've added on FireFTP, and if you're on Firefox and you type FireFTP up here, you'll find it and be able to add it on. All right, and install it. And then when you go to Tools and Web Developer, you'll see FireFTP right here. It loads up a FTP program right here on your desktop. I mean, right in your browser. So once you install FireFTP, you would go and create an account and put your, my domain, and then www. And it says FTP here, but I do www.yourdomain, whatever it is, .com. Okay, and then your cPanel login that you get from your hosting account and your cPanel password. That usually works. If not, you could call your hosting account and say, how do I log into my FTP? But if you have HostGator, you log in and your password for your domain cPanel will work. Now I've already added a domain on here, and you can drag these bars right here. This is my hosting account right here. And this is my desktop side. So if I go to drop this down and go to thementorman.com, then you got to go to connect, because I've already set up my username and password in here. And you can go to edit it here if you want to edit anything. Okay? And I'm going to go to connect. And then it's going to connect right to my hosting account right here. Okay? So here's my hosting account. Now these are all my folders with products in them, or different folders with blogs that I've created in cPanel with quick install. And then I just have an index.html file here to hide everything. Alright, otherwise when they went to my main domain, they would see all these products and all the downloads and everything inside them. So if you want to create a new product, in your public_HTML folder, I'll go up again, and you need to be in the public_HTML folder. That's the only one that's visible to people on the internet. Alright, so you got to double click on that. You don't upload files in here, you upload them into the public_HTML. And in here now, I'm going to go see what the name of that product is again. WP Image Plus. WP Image Plus. I could actually just, well, I can't copy that there. So, WP Image Plus. And I'll go over here and I'll right click and I'll create a directory, which means create a folder. Alright, so I right click and I create a directory, and I'm going to put WP Image Plus. Alright, and then I'm going to hit enter. And then that's going to go up to where in alphabetical order. And then I'm going to double click on that folder, and it'll say thementorman.com/WP Image Plus. Alright. So I'm going to go over here to the folder on my desktop side. Alright. And if you don't see it, hit this refresh button right here. And that will refresh your desktop if you just downloaded something and you already had FireFTP already open. You wouldn't see it. So go to the refresh and you will see it on your desktop. So I'm going to open this up now. And I'm going to go to the mini sites. And I'm going to go to the yellow one. So we need to upload the images in a folder like they're shown here, okay? So we don't want to upload the image blank, index blank.html, but we will upload the images, and then we'll hold the control key down, the CTRL key, and we'll click on this one, and then we'll right click and we'll upload these. And that'll take a few seconds. And now if I go here and copy this folder and then go to thementorman.com and right click and paste this folder in there and hit enter, then we just uploaded our page right here. Okay, now I have to edit this and put my pay button on it and create the download page, but we'll do that in another video. But what I wanted to show you right here is how easy it is to upload a product that fast, okay, using FireFTP, creating a folder in your public_HTML, and go to your desktop, go into that folder, upload the images folder and the index folder, and there it is right there. Of course, we have to make a thank you page, and if I go to the up arrow here, and the up arrow, we have to upload the plugins after, okay, and the user guide, and we have to give them to them in the folder when they purchase it. But I'll show you how to do that in another video. I hope this helped clear your mind up about how easy it is to upload a product into your domain, into a folder, and stay tuned for some more good stuff. Alright, thanks guys.